everybody, greeting from Marvin from Honda Type. Today I will introduce our water dual sensor with our Lora collector and sound alert system, and also the Lora gateway. And first I will introduce the sensor, and that is our optical water dual sensor. And when you use it, just remove protect the cover first. Check it, that is based on the optical proviso, and will receive it, remove this protect the cover. Will not use it and need to cover it and protect it. And that is the Lora collector. And for the Lora collector, and the connected to the two water dual sensor, and the sensor address are different, and you just connected by the waterproof connector is okay, and there is no special order, just connect it is okay. And here is the alarm system, and that is a sound alert alarm system, and it means that when the measured value lower than the set value, and then it will give the sound and light alarm. And any of the sensor, if detected the value lower than the set value, it will give the alarm at once. Okay, and that is the power supply, and with the 12 voltage DC. And for this, the red cable is 12 voltage DC, black is negative power supply, yellow and green is used for making the config of the Lora collector, and that is Lora collector. And for this part, it is the Lora gateway, and also with the 4G wireless model. And you can check it. There are two antennas, and one is the 4G, the other is the Lora collector, Lora gateway antenna. And for the 4G, and you can check the order. The right is special for the 4G antenna, and the left is the Lora antenna. So you need connected the right order and with the connection. And also here is the power supply, and that is the power on it. And when you receive it, you just need to insert your 4G SIM card and also power on it. Here is the match tools, and how to insert the 4G SIM card, and you can check it in the bottom. Here is a yellow button, and you just click the yellow button, and the card slot will punch out, and then put your 4G SIM card and same with the APN that you have given to us. And here is the spare cable for you to make the config of the 4G wireless model, and also for the water sensors. Okay, and that is the basic introduce of this Lora system. And just pay attention, the distance between the Lora gateway and the Lora collector normally not more than 300 meters. It also depends on your local condition, and 300 or 500 meters. And so the artist can walk directly. That basic introduce of this system. If you have a problem, just send us inquiry. Thank you.